Hello, this is Piotr from Tapflo, and today I will introduce to you a system that brings significant savings to the producers of detergents, household chemicals and cosmetics. Watch this movie and learn about our dilution system for SLES. SLES is a chemical. It's a major ingredient of many cleaning liquids, starting from dishwashing liquid, laundry detergents, floor cleaners, degreasers, but also shampoo and liquid soap. It's a surfactant that helps to remove grease or dirt, and is also commonly used as a foaming agent. In the raw form, at the concentration of 70%, SLES is a thick gel, and it must be diluted to the concentration of 28% or lower before it is mixed with other ingredients of the final product. Traditional dilution of SLES in a tank with an agitator, it's a pain. It takes several hours to prepare one batch, it consumes a lot of energy, and the quality of the final product might not be what you really expect. By that I mean lumps in your product. That's why already 10 years ago we've built an inline dilution system for that job. And since that time, we've already helped dozens of companies all over the world to improve their process. This machine provides SLES at the required concentration almost immediately. It means huge time savings and a possibility to scale the production without building a new factory. It can work with raw materials at the room temperature, so there's no need for heating, which stands for significant energy savings. If you look for a trusted supplier of pumps or systems that will improve your production process, why don't you go to tapflo.com and let us know about it?